Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to showcase the 5 best electric scooters. Getting around is far more fun when you are riding the best electric scooter, and we have considered options for every type of commuter while making this list of best electric scooters. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, please check the links in the description below. Let's get started with the video. This is Segway Ninebot ES1L electric kickscooter. Segway is most famous for its iconic two-wheeled personal transporter, and this electric scooter is one of their best. While it does not feature the signature self-balancing technology of other Segway products, it does include a virtually silent, powerful motor to make scooting around your neighborhood a breeze. It has a decent amount of power hidden in its sleek design, and the scooter is capable of going up to 20 km per hour on a regular basis, which is about 12.5 miles per hour. It does have an economy mode to limit the motor's power consumption and the scooter's top speed, so that should help extend mileage on a single charge. It also includes a kickstand that is built into the scooter's base, which is durable and easy to use. The controls couldn't be more simple. The toggle on the left is the brake and the toggle on the right is to go. Additionally, the back wheel has a brake you can step on, which is similar to many other scooters. It is pretty capable on the road, but larger bumps or cracks can be a little jarring while riding around. It's definitely best to stick to the flattest road or sidewalk surface you can. The scooter also includes built-in reflective strips to be more visible at night, and a bright LED light built into the front of the pole to make it easier to see the road. It is ideal for quick trips around the neighborhood or for cutting down on commute times. It would be perfect as a way to quickly get to and from the subway, and can be folded up and tucked under a desk for work commutes. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Gotrax G4 commuting electric scooter. It is a well-rounded e-scooter making waves among entry-level commuters, given its 25.4 cm tires, best-in-class top speed, and quirky security features. It delivers serious upgrades to previous Gotrax models with supersized pneumatic tires, a 32.2 km/h top speed, and a 374 Wh battery, the largest capacity in the budget commuter class. It's an excellent choice if you frequently make quick trips and have to leave your scooter unattended or bring it indoors for short periods. It is a well-rounded entry-level commuter worthy of attention and may end up replacing more expensive scooters, like the 09, in the shopping carts of savvy scooter buyers, given its complete feature set on a budget. With a 350-watt rear motor, the G4 has competent performance against scooters in its class. It has a 10% grade incline at an average speed of 11.1 km per hour. One notable feature of the Gotrax G4 is walk assist, which you can activate by holding the minus button while you ride on the deck or walk alongside, and the scooter will travel around 5 km per hour. It has some industry-first security features, including a built-in 4-digit combination cable lock on the stem, making it more convenient to secure when needed. On the handle, it has sharply textured hand grips, fixed positions for the thumb throttle and brake lever, and a LED display centered on the stem. It has great lighting overall, with a bright handlebar height-mounted headlight and fender-mounted taillight that blinks when braking. It is a solid entry-level scooter built for commuting, not high performance. With a complete feature set, best-in-class top speed and battery capacity, and those big, comfort-inducing tires, the G4 is a well-priced prize if you don't mind a slightly slower start. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Segway Ninebot Max electric kickscooter. It is a substantial contender in its class and feels like a serious commuting machine because of its seriously sturdy construction. It is propelled by a 350-watt motor, with 700 watts of peak power, and it reaches 24 km per hour in 5.4 seconds. It has a 10% grade incline at an average speed of 13.7 km per hour in around 16.0 seconds for around 75 kg rider. It has around 28.7 km per hour top speed, which is fast enough for most riders traveling at safe speeds with traffic, and will give you a range of around 50 km. It has strong braking with a short distance of 3.4 meters. Despite its lack of suspension, its large 25.4 cm tires and sturdy frame give the Max a better ride than some scooters with dual suspension. At 19 kilograms, the scooter is a bit heavy, although still manageable, and the scooter of this weight is considered portable. It has a great cockpit with a bright LED display that shows all the basic information you need, including speed, battery power, and riding mode. It has a high-mounted front LED light that's on the opposite side of the LED display. Its 25.4 cm tubeless pneumatic tires function well at damping road vibrations. The 17.4 cm wide and 50.3 cm long deck is great, with ample standing space and a grippy, raised rubber surface. The Max is a great choice for riders willing to carry greater weight for a longer-ranged scooter and is nicely designed for minimal maintenance and longevity. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Glion Dolly Foldable Lightweight Adult Electric Scooter. Well built with a decent range and speed, the Glion Dolly electric scooter is a mid-range model with some unique features. One of them is how the scooter folds. It can be pulled around like a rolling suitcase. It's rare to find a scooter with portability that good and is perfect for last-mile commuters and riding around a city for fun. It is equipped with a 250-watt brushless hub motor and a 36-volt battery, which can be charged fairly quickly in 3.5 hours, and it has an excellent charge and discharge cycle rating. The motor and battery system provides a max speed of 15 miles per hour and a 15-mile range if you ride at slower speeds. At just over 27 pounds, the Glion isn't the lightest scooter around, and it can hold up to 250 pounds. It's a sturdy scooter made from aircraft-grade, powder-coated aluminum which resists corrosion. The handlebars are on the small side, and the LED screen lets you know the battery level. The main safety features on the Glion Dolly are the lights, which are very bright and can be easily turned on with a red button and a built-in tail reflector. It's best for last-mile commuters since its range is probably more around 7 to 10 miles, and that folding suitcase design is really innovative and useful. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Highboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter. It is a semi-official upgrade to the extremely successful Highboy S2 model, and it performs better, especially when it comes to range and battery life. With its ease of use, durability, and affordable price, it is a great choice for beginners, and a lot of first-time owners choose it every day. The 10-inch solid tires and the suspensions provide smooth and carefree rides, without the threat of flat tires, making the Highboy S2 Pro great for all types of roads. Its folding mechanism is rigid and secure, while also being very easy to use with 4 separate light configurations. It provides a ride smoothness and overall stability that's on par with much more expensive scooters and certainly outclasses most of the scooters in its price range. The scooter can develop top speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour, which puts it a level above the typical budget scooter. It has a redundant dual braking system, with an electronic brake in the front wheel, a rear disc brake, and dual spring suspension in the rear. With large 10-inch solid tires that never go flat and still provide a comfortable ride, dual suspension on the rear that absorbs much of the shock, 30 minutes for 48 kilometers of maximum range, and a high level of quality, reliability, and toughness, the Highboy S2 Pro is definitely among the best electric scooters. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.